Hey guys, Mike here with Atlas Rim Repair. We're just doing a quick, easy, free repair for the dealership here on this one. It's just super minor. I'm just going to sand that out. I'm going to just hit it with the 220 grit to get the damage out, scuff it, and paint it. While I'm getting set up, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, I will start working on this one. All right, then we'll go ahead and hit that with the 1500 grit scuff pad. And we'll clean it up and get ready for paint. All right, we're going to be using the medium silver on this one. This one is linked below in the description, along with all the other paints I use now. Everything is available for purchase, every color that I actually stock. And it can be sprayed or brushed on either way. I always spray mine. But if you're just doing a single wheel repair, it would be fine to brush one small repaired area. There's also a DIY kit that's available with some putty, sandpaper, all that stuff, so you could actually fill in the damaged area and then paint it. All right, and we'll finish this off with clear coat. All set.